तर चला फ्रेंड्स, आज आपण कंपनी अकाउंटिंग बीकॉम पार्ट 2 थर्ड सेम याचे युनिट वाईज एमसीक्यू बघणार आहोत. तर चला आपल्या एमसीक्यू ना सुरुवात करूया. युनिट 1 शेअर्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इक्विटी शेअर होल्डर आर कॉल्ड ऑफ द कंपनी. A owner, B creditor, C debtor, D preference holders. So right answer is A, owner. Question 2, preference shareholder get dividend. A fixed, variable, no bonus. Preference shareholder get fixed dividend. So A option is correct. Then next three, share capital is shown under in balance sheet. A liability, B asset, C expense, D income. Share capital is shown under liability in balance sheet. Next, fourth, the portion of capital not called as is called A reserve capital, B uncalled capital, C paid up capital, D subscribed capital. So the portion of capital not called up is called uncalled capital. Next, five, bonus share are issued out of A reserve, B debenture, C loan, D creditor. So bonus shares are issued out of reserve reserves. Next, six, calls in arrears represent A unpaid amount, B profit, C dividend, D reserve. Call in arrears represent unpaid amount. Next, seven, share issued at a price higher than face value are called A at par, B at premium, C at discount, D bonus. Share is share issued at price higher than face value are called at premium. 8. Minimum subscription means A. Minimum shares applied, B. Minimum shares allotted, C. Minimum share issued, D. Minimum share forfeited. So, minimum subscription means minimum shares applied. A answer is correct. 9. Forfeiture. Forfeited shares can be raised at upper, B premium, C discount, D any of this. Any of this answer is correct. D is correct. Then 10. Share certificate is evidence of A ownership, B loan, C debenture, D dividend. Share cer- share certificate is evidence of ownership. 11. Share issued at face value are called A at par, B. At premium. C. At discount. D. Bonus. Share issued at face value or called at par. 12th, the capital which is subscribed but not paid is called A. Call in arrears. B. Paid up capital. C. Reserve capital. D. Bonus share. The capital which is subscribed but not paid is called call in arrears. 13. The maximum capital a company can issue is called authorized capital, issued capital, subscribed capital, paid up capital. The maximum capital a company can issue is called authorized capital. 14. The capital actually received by a company is called A. Paid up capital, B. Authorized capital, C. Reserve capital, D. Subscribed capital. The capital actually received by company is called paid up capital. 15. Share issued free of cost to existing shareholder or called A. Bonus share, B. Preferential share, C. Equity share, D. Debenture. Share issued at free of cost existing shareholder are called bonus share. 16. The portion of capital kept for future issue is called reserve capital, paid up capital, subscribed capital, issued capital. The portion of capital kept for future issued is called reserve capital. 17. The return given to shareholder is called dividend, interest, bonus, profit. The return given to shareholder is called dividend. 18. Share which carry voting rights are called equity, preference share, bonus share, debenture. 18th. Share which carry voting right are called equity share. 19. The capital which is issued to public is called issued capital, authorized capital, reserve capital, paid up capital. The capital which is issued to public is called issued capital. 20. The capital which is applied by shareholder is called subscribed capital, issued capital, paid up capital, reserve capital. The capital which is applied by shareholder is called subscribed capital. 21. The capital which is not issued is called reserve capital, authorized capital, paid up capital, subscribed capital. The capital which is not issued is called authorized capital. 22. The portion of capital which is forfeited is called forfeit, forfeit capital, reserve capital, paid up capital, bonus share. The portion of capital which is forfeited is called forfeited capital. 23. The capital which is actually utilized is called paid up capital, authorized capital, subscribed capital, issued capital. The capital which is actually utilized is called paid up capital. 24. Share issued at less than face value are called. Share issued at less than face value are called at discount. Dividend is paid on paid up capital, authorized capital, issued capital, reserve capital. Dividend is paid on paid up capital. The capital which is mentioned is memorandum of association is called authorized capital, issued capital, paid up capital, reserve capital. The capital which is mentioned in memorandum of association is called authorized capital. 27. The portion of capital which is kept for future is called reserve capital, paid up capital, issued capital, subscribed capital. The portion of capital which is kept of for future is called reserve capital. 28. The capital which is offered to public is called issued capital, authorized capital, reserve capital, paid up capital. The capital which is offered to public is called issued capital. The capital which is applied by shareholder in called subscribed capital, issued capital, paid up capital, reserve capital. The capital which is applied by shareholder is called subscribed capital. 30. The capital which is called up but not paid call in arrears, paid up capital, reserve capital, bonus share. The capital which is called up but not paid is called call in arrears. 31. The capital which is paid by shareholder in called paid up capital, authorized capital, reserve capital, issued capital. The capital which is paid by shareholder is called paid up capital. 32. The capital which is not called up is called uncalled capital, reserve capital, paid up capital, subscribed capital. The capital which is not called up is called uncalled capital. 33. The capital which is forfeited can be reissued, cancelled, converted, known. The capital which is forfeited can be reissued. 34. The share which are issued free of cost are called bonus share, preference share, equity share, debenture. The share which is all issued free of cost are called bonus share. 35. The share which carry principal right are called preference share, equity share, bonus share, debenture. The share which carry preferential right are called preference share. The share which carry voting rights are called equity share, preference share, bonus share, debenture. The share which carry voting rights are called equity share. 37. The share which are issued to promoters are called sweat, equity share, bonus share, preference share, debenture. The share which are issued to promoters are called sweat equity share. 38. The share which are issued to employee are called ESOP share, bonus share, preference share, equity share. The share which are issued to employee are called ESOP share. 39. The shares which are issued at for value are called at per share, at premium share, at discount share, bonus share. The share which are issued at per value are called at per share. 40. The share which are issued at more than face value are called at premium share, at per share, at discount share, bonus share. The share which are issued at more than face value are called at premium share. 41. The share which are issued at less than face value are called at discount share, at premium share, at per share, bonus share. The share which are issued at less than face value are called at discount share. 42. The share which are issued to existing shareholder are called the share which are issued to existing shareholder are called a right share. 43. The share which are issued to raise capital are called the share which are issued to raise capital are called equity share. 44. The share which are issued to preference holder are called the share which are issued to preference holder are called preference share. 45. The share which are issued to public are called the share which are issued to public are called public issue share. 46. The share which are issued to director are called the share which are issued to director are called sweat equity share. 47. The share which are issued to creditor are called the share which are issued to creditor are called equity share. 48. The share which are issued to debenture holder are called the share which are issued to debenture holder are called convertible share. 49. The share which are issued to raise long-term capital are called the share which are issued to raise long-term capital are called equity share. 50. The share which are issued to raise fixed capital are called the share which are issued to raise fixed capital are called equity share. यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रो युनिट 2 डेबेंचर वर आहे आपलं. तर बघा फर्स्ट debenture holder are of the company. Debenture holder are creditor of the company. 2. Debenture is a type of debenture is the type of loan. 3. Interest on debenture is interest on debenture is fixed. 4. Debenture holder have debenture holder have creditor rights. 5. Debenture are shown under bracket in balance sheet. Debentures are shown under liability in balance sheet. Next, 6. Convertible debenture can be converted into share. 7. Non-convertible debenture cannot be converted into non-convertible debenture cannot be converted into share. 8. Debenture holder receive interest. 9. Debenture is a debt instrument. 10. Debentures are issued to raise. Debentures are issued to raise fixed capital. 11. Debenture holder are paid. Debenture holder are paid before shareholder. 12. Debenture interest is shown in debenture interest in shown in profit and loss account. 13. Debenture are generally redeemed after fixed period. 14. Debenture redemption means repayment. 15. Debenture holder are 15. Debenture holder are creditor of the company. 16. Debenture are issued at per premium discount. Any of this. 17. Debenture interest is tax deductible. Next, 18. Classified as debenture are classified as long-term liability. 19. Debenture holder do not have voting right. 20. Debenture are issued under Companies Act. 21. Debenture certificate is proof of debt. 22. Debenture are repaid from redemption fund. 23. Debenture holder are Entity 2. Debenture holder are entitled to fixed interest. 24. Debenture are issued to Debenture are issued to raise capital. 25. Debenture resumption reserve is created for Debenture redemption reserve is created for repayment. 26. Debenture interest is paid. Debenture interest is paid half yearly. 27. Debenture holder are Debenture holder are creditors in company. 28. Debenture are issued to Debenture are issued to borrow funds. 29. Debenture redemption can be done by Debenture redemption can be done by lump sum, installments, conversion, any of this. D option is correct. 30. Debenture interest is Debenture interest is fixed expense. 31. Debenture holder are repaid. Debenture holder are repaid before shareholder. 32. Debenture redemption reserve as shown under Debenture resumption reserve is shown under reserve C. 33. Debenture are issued for Debenture are issued for long-term period. 34. Are Debenture holder are creditor of the company. 35. Debenture interest is Debenture interest is compulsory. 36. Debenture redemption is done at Debenture redemption is done at per premium discount any of this. 37. Debenture holder are Debenture holder are creditors in company. Debenture 38. Debenture interest is paid even if company has Debenture interest is paid even if company has loss. 39. Debenture redemption reserve is created out of Debenture redemption reserve is created out of profits. 40. Debenture holder are Debenture holder are creditors in company. 41. Debenture interest is Debenture interest is fixed. Debenture redemption is compulsory. 43. Debenture holder are Debenture holder are creditors in company. 45. Debenture interest is tax deductible. 46. Debenture holder are creditors in company. 47. Debenture redemption is done by any of these: lump sum, installment, convention. 48. Debenture interest is fixed expense. 49. Debenture holder are creditors in company. Debenture redemption reserve is shown under reserve. यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्र आपण युनिट 3 बघणार आहोत, फायनल अकाउंट. तर चला, फर्स्ट ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट शोज gross profit. Profit and loss account shows net profit. Balance sheet shows financial position. Closing stock is shown in trading account. 5. Depreciation is shown in profit and loss. 6. Outstanding expense are shown in balance sheet. 7. Prepaid expense are shown in balance sheet. 8. Bad debt are shown in profit and loss. 9. Provision for doubtful debt is shown in balance sheet. 10. Carriage inward is shown in trading account. Carriage outward is shown in 11. Carriage outward is shown in profit and loss. 12. Salaries are shown in profit and loss. 13. Wages are shown in trading account. 14. Rent is shown in profit and loss. 15. Interest received is shown in profit and loss. Discount allotted is shown in a profit and loss. Discount received is shown in a profit and loss. 18. Commission received is shown in profit and loss. 19. Commission paid is shown in profit and loss. Closing stock is shown on 20. Closing stock is shown on credit side of trading account. 21. Opening stock is shown on debit side of trading account. 22. Gross profit is transferred to profit and loss. 23. Net profit is transferred to balance sheet. 24. Assets are shown on left side of balance sheet. 25. Liability are shown on right side of balance sheet. 26. Depreciation reduce asset value. 27. Outstanding salary is shown in balance sheet. 28. Prepared rent is shown in balance sheet. 29. Closing stock is shown in trading and balance sheet. 30. Drawings are shown in balance sheet. 31. Capital is shown in balance sheet. 32. Reserve are shown in balance sheet. 33. Investment are shown in balance sheet. 34. Furniture is shown in balance sheet. 35. Machinery is shown in balance sheet. 36. Cash in hand is shown in balance sheet. 37. Cash at bank is shown in balance sheet. 38. Bills payable are shown in balance sheet. 39. Bills receivable are shown in balance sheet. 40. Sundry debtor are shown in balance sheet. 41. Sundry creditor are shown in balance sheet. 42. Bank overdraft is shown in balance sheet. 43. Goodwill is shown in balance sheet. 44. Patent are shown in balance sheet. 45. Preliminary expense are shown in balance sheet. 46. Net loss is transferred to balance sheet. 47. Gross loss is transferred to profit and loss. 48. Closing stock is shown at cost or market value. 49. Balance sheet is prepared on last date. 50. Final account are prepared at the end of accounting year. यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रों युनिट 4 कंपनी अकाउंटिंग ऍडजस्टमेंट वरती आहे. तर याची सुद्धा आपण एमसीक्यूज बघणार आहोत 50, जेणेकरून तुमची तयारी चांगली होईल. बघा 1. फर्स्ट, डिव्हिडंड इज पेड टू shareholders. 2. Interim dividend is declared during the year. 3. Final dividend is declared at AGM. 4. Dividend is paid out of profit. 5. Bonus share are issued to existing shareholder. 6. Bonus share are issued out of reserve. 7. Reserve fund is created out of profit. 8. General reserve is shown in balance sheet. 9. Capital reserve is created from capital profit. 10. Revenue reserve is created from revenue profit. 11. Dividend is recommended by board of director. 12. Dividend is approved by shareholder. 13. Bonus share increase share capital. 14. Dividend reduce profit. 15. Reserve fund strengthens financial position. 16. Dividend is paid on paid up capital. 17. Bonus shares are issued free of cost. 18. Dividend is shown in profit and loss appropriation account. 19. Bonus shares are shown in balance sheet. 20. Dividend is declared out of profit. 21. Dividend is paid in cash. 22. Bonus shares are issued in form of share. 23. Dividend is declared at AGM. 24. Bonus shares are issued to existing shareholder. 25. Dividend is paid to equity and preference shareholder. 26. Dividend is paid out of current profit. 27. Bonus shares are issued out of free reserve. 28. Dividend is declared by board of director. 29. Bonus shares are issued by company. 30. Dividend is shown in profit and loss appropriation account. 31. Bonus shares are shown in balance sheet. 32. Dividend reduce profit. 33. Bonus share increase share capital. 34. Dividend is paid in cash. 35. Bonus shares are issued in shares. 36. Dividend is declared at AGM. 37. Bonus shares are issued to existing shareholder. 38. Dividend is approved by shareholder. 39. Bonus shares are issued out of reserve. 40. Dividend is recommended by board of director. 41. Bonus shares are issued free of bonus share are issued free of cost. 42. Dividend is paid on. Dividend is paid on paid up capital. 43. Bonus share are issued in form of. Bonus share are issued in form of shares. 44. Dividend is declared out of. Dividend is declared out of profit. 45. Bonus share are shown in balance sheet. 46. Dividend is shown in profit and loss appropriation account. 47. Bonus shares increase. Bonus shares increase share capital. 48. Dividend reduce. Reduce profit. 49. Bonus share are issued to existing shareholder. 50. Dividend is paid to equity and preference shareholder. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रो, इथं आपण आपल्या चारही युनिटचे प्रत्येक युनिटवर 50-50 क्वेश्चन आपण बघितलेली आहे. एमसीक्यूज मल्टिपल क्वेश्चन आपण बघितलेले आहे. अशाच प्रकारचे जर आपल्याला व्हिडिओ हवे असतील तर माझं चॅनल RK कॉमर्स अकॅडमीला सबस्क्राईब करा व कमेंट करा. तुम्हाला कोणत्या टॉपिक वरती व्हिडिओ हवा आहे ते मला कळवा. धन्यवाद.